how to return Shein items. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can return Shein items. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to return a Shein item, there are certain processes you need to follow. Just open up your Shein application on your device. After that, you will be able to see your home screen like this with all of the items that you may want to purchase. After seeing different kind of options on your home screen like shop, category, new, cart and me at the bottom, you're just gonna head over to the me section. After heading over to the me section, here you'll be finding different kind of options, and here you're just gonna go to the return section. So when you tap on returns, you'll be seeing all of the items that you've returned, the list of the items that you've returned from Shein. But in order to see the item that you want to return, let's say return, so in order to do that, just go to the left, just swipe to left, and you'll be able to find all orders section, where you'll be finding all of the orders that you have placed that you may want to return. So under some of the items may be possible to return, but some may not be. But if that some items are possible to return, under those items you'll be finding a return item option. Just click on that option and you'll get to a next page where you'll be able to see a return where you'll be able to see delete order. So you can just see that delete order option at the bottom. Just click on it. After that, go on with the process of canceling order, and you need to prove that your product has been damaged or something in order for the item to be returned to Shein. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to return your item on Shein. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.